great outdoors, forever free.
With Jo Starling at the boat shed in Tuross Heads. Is that where we are? Tuross Heads? Yes. And now we're just fishing. So the tide is high now, so we're just fishing up in one of the little river arms and already got 2 flatties. So see if we can get Mr. Hoffy a fish. Another nice flatty in the boat.
Yoo-hoo!
Soft plastics are working well this morning.
They weren't at the start, but
We sort of changed techniques a little bit.
yeah.
Beautiful fish.
Just undersized, I reckon.
Yeah, we'll throw him back.
Good.
Most of him.
So we're heading out for pretty much a late afternoon fish. The tide is high very shortly, closer to the mouth. So this is our last day here at Tuross Heads.
This is our caravan park just here.
Yeah, yeah.
Amazing spot.
So yeah, we've got 4 flatties for dinner if we cook them tonight or tomorrow.
Hopefully some more fish, hey?
Yeah, let's do it. One of a few fish we've got this afternoon. Oh, that's going all right too.
Nice little flatty. Yeah.
Geez, that'll be close.
I was having a bit of a dance.
Yep, Kendrick.
Nice little flatty.
Oh, it's just under.
Just undersized.
Well, we've got to be 37.
We're doing 36.
Yeah, that's 34.
Oh, thanks for spitting the lure out,
Yeah.
buddy.
Yee-hoo!
Bye.
Yee-hoo!